Magic is all around us. And it's much easier to find it when we're looking. So in the spirit of magic, today I'm going to take you along while I create my Egyptian magic oil blend. First, I combine blue lotus flowers with chamomile flowers. Then I add in jojoba oil, olive oil, and castor oil, and some gold mica for a magical golden sparkle. This mixture infuses together for 6 weeks. And then I strain the herb matter out and bottle in a fresh bottle. Now I add in my homemade frankincense infused oil. I made it by infusing powdered frankincense resin with jojoba oil on low heat for 2 weeks. It smells incredible. And now the Egyptian magic oil is complete. I love using this oil when I'm taking sacred time for myself, breathing in the smells and the specialness of it. These smells, especially the frankincense, helps me to slow down and tune in, to breathe deeply, to open myself to guidance, to feel connected to the earth, and to connect with the source of all creation. Remembering magic and connecting to it is an important part of my mental health and self-care. How do you bring more magic into your life? Share with me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you want to see more from me. I have an herbalism for beginners playlist and a magic spells playlist with more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching.